Right after the parts are pulled out of the molds, the flanges are cut off. Model-specific jigs are used to mark cut lines specific to the order for lid openings, rod holders, drains, cleats, and access hatches. Use of jigs assures consistent placement and proper orientation every time. Here's the console with the cutouts for the binnacle, gauges, switch panel, key switch, and horn. The lids are built concurrently in a specific building for each boat in production. Pathfinder uses two-part molds that allow for a closed molding process, which creates a premium finish to both sides, assures the lids are the same thickness, and results in lighter lids. Backing materials are integrated into the lids for hinge screws and gas shock mounting brackets. The finished hull is ready to go into assembly. Two-part foam flotation is placed outboard of the stringers, and interior gel coat is applied to opening areas that won't get buckets. And finally, technicians work out any minor blemishes from the mold. The wire harness is routed and hull drains are installed. Wiring harnesses are made in-house, particular to the model and order. Routing through chase tubes prevents chafing, sagging, and pinching as the deck is installed. The white cord is a pull cord for installing accessories later. Technicians also install the washdown pump. It's time for the leaning post installation. Fastening points are drilled and tapped through the aqua steel backing material laminated on the underside of the deck. Workers dry fit the hull and cap. The fit is measured and adjusted up and down with the overhead crane. The first screws are mounted temporarily. Once complete, the holes for additional screws are drilled and countersunk. Tape is applied to mark the deck and hull joint. Placement screws are then removed and the deck is lifted. 5200 is applied above the tape, and bonding putty is dispensed on top of the stringer grid, bonding the cockpit floor to the stringers and the deck flange to the hull sides. Final assembly includes connecting the plumbing for the live well and washdown pumps and installing the console. The console is dry fitted first to set proper placement. Fastening holes are drilled and tapped. The console is then lifted back up. A bonding agent is applied and the console is lowered and fastened through the backing material. Lastly, the Pathfinder crew rigs and mounts the Yamaha F-150 outboard to the transom. In 14 days, after a lot of TLC, the new Pathfinder 2200 Tournament Edition is ready to go. She should be delivered to me in South Coastal Georgia later this week. I can't wait.